Hi everyone, Ralph here with Music and Blinkenlights Unpacked number 2. Over the last few weeks I've received a pile of new stuff to tinker with. So let's see what I've got. The packs are actually open already because I couldn't resist. I mean, who would receive packets and not open them immediately? Anyway, let's start with this one. This is a DC to DC power converter that provides positive and negative 12 volts from, say, a 9 volt input. I bought this for powering the EBBE synthesizer that I built and demoed in an earlier video. It came with this power supply PCB, but I haven't decided yet if I'm going to use it. So I bought this converter instead. It's small and neat and should be able to provide enough juice for the EBBE and perhaps another unit. I quite like it. As a matter of fact, I later bought 2 more of these boards, another one for plus/minus 12 volts and one for plus/minus 15 volts. Okay, next packet. Yes, this is a 40 by 2 character LCD display. I have a few Roland synthesizers and would like to build a programmer for them. For example, something like this PG10, which incidentally has got a 40 by 2 LCD screen on top. You can still get them at eBay, but I'd rather make one myself, perhaps with a twist. We'll see. I'm not sure I like the linear potentiometers for adjusting values in the programmer. That's why I got these. This is an LED Ring Pcd for rotary encoders. I saw it on SparkFun, but they've discontinued them and the original manufacturer also stopped supplying them. So I designed one myself on Easy EDA, based on some schematics that I found on the intertubes, and then had them manufactured by JLCPCB, 10 pieces for $2 plus shipping. So here they are, looking quite neat, including the Music and Blinkenlights logo. I've already received the surface mount LEDs. I bought 100 yellow and 100 red ones, because I don't know yet what looks better. I also got 100 SMD capacitors. What's still missing is the actual LED driver IC. That's a bit difficult, euphemism for expensive, to come by. Perhaps I should have thought of that before I made them. The board apparently also needs a regulator, but I'm unsure why that is. The LED driver already limits the current that the LEDs get, and it can handle up to 17 volts at the pins that sink the LED current. Anyway, let's move on. Here's an Arduino Pro Mini, a smaller version of the Nano without the USB connector, but with the same ATmega328 controller. You can never have enough of them, I guess. Next I got these 10 double 7-segment display units. I need one for the teensy synth that's long overdue. They are 0.28 inch common cathode. And here's the corresponding decoder ICs, the CD4511. All seller links are in the description, by the way. And finally, here's another 7-segment display with 4 digits. It's got a clock layout and lacks the decimal dots apparently. But it's got a TM1637 driver IC that allows driving all segments individually. So it can show letters and digits, for example to be used as a hexadecimal indicator. Only 4 pins are required to drive the display. Anyway, this concludes episode 2 of Music and Blinkenlights Unpacked. As always, thanks for watching and don't forget to like if you did and subscribe for more music and Blinkenlights. Tschüss zusammen!